In this video, I'll show you a few solutions on how to fix your HDMI problems that you're having with your Samsung TV. So let's get started with the easiest of them. The first thing you can try is to disconnect every HDMI devices from your Samsung TV and then disconnect your TV from the wall socket and wait 5 minutes. During that time, find the power button that is often located under your TV or on the back and press on it during 30 seconds. When the 30 seconds has passed, release the button, and when the 5 total minutes has passed, you can plug back your Samsung TV and then connect one by one each HDMI devices. This should fix your problem. If not, I suggest that you try another HDMI cable. I'm sure you have one laying around your room over there. You can try it because sometimes it's actually just the HDMI cable that has gone bad and not your Samsung TV. I have also put a link in the description if you want to get a brand new HDMI cable from Amazon. Another thing you can try is to press with your finger on the HDMI ports on the back of your TV. With time, by plugging and unplugging those HDMI cables, the port gets disconnected from the motherboard. By pressing it with your finger, you can reconnect it if this is the problem. So press many times, and even when you connect the HDMI cable, press a bit harder than you do usually. I also suggest that you check that you selected the right HDMI input on your Samsung TV. To do so, on the back of it, each HDMI ports have a number, 1, 2, or 3. Your device is connected in one of them. Let's say it's in number 1. Then on the remote control, on the top right corner, usually, there's a source button. Press on it and select, let's say, HDMI 1 if your device is there, or number 2 or 3. If nothing works, you can factory reset your Samsung TV. Now there's many Samsung TVs, so there's many different ways, but one that works most of the time is to go into the settings menu, then select general. You should see reset, select reset, and then input the passcode if they ask it. Usually is 0000 or 1234 if you didn't change it. And finally, select reset. It will take a few minutes and your TV will be like brand new, or at least hopefully like brand new. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. Please leave a comment down below if it was. If you have other tips solving this problem, again, type them there. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.